Hello and welcome to my Fiverr profile. Are you looking for a captivating and effective way to present your ideas, products, or services? You've come to the right place. I offer whiteboard animation videos that will grab your audience's attention and make your messages unforgettable. Why choose my services? Clarity and simplicity. My videos break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand visual elements, so your audience can quickly grasp the essence of your message. Total customization. Every video is tailor-made to meet your specific needs. From script to animation, everything is designed to reflect your brand identity. Maximized engagement. With whiteboard animation, your viewers will stay engaged throughout the video, increasing both engagement and information retention. Professional results. I am committed to delivering a high-quality video, ready to be used on your preferred platforms. What I offer: complete creation of whiteboard animation videos, from script to final product. Insertion of your logo, text, and background music according to your preferences. Revision options to ensure your complete satisfaction. How does it work? Contact me to discuss your project. Share your ideas, and I'll take care of the rest. Receive your video, ready to impress your audience. If you have any questions or specific requests, feel free to contact me. I'm here to help you turn your ideas into impactful videos. Looking forward to collaborating with you.